Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things what you like to make at home. A very simple salad today. I have some leftover vegetable fried rice right here, and I'm gonna make a simple salad that you guys can do the same thing at home. All right, you can make it, bring it to work, and you know what I mean, have it for your lunch or whatever you like to have it. You can have it, guys. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Please watch this video. It's an amazing dish, and this is for you and your family. Also enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Lovely, guys. So basically I have some leftover vegetable fried rice right here, and I have some mixed leaf right over here. Got some cucumber which I'm going to be adding to that. Nice one. So I'm using a medium-sized cucumber. And I'm gonna put a few slices of red wine. And also just a little bit of olive oil. Just use my spoon. It's a lovely mix. This is some beetroot and mixed leaf. Nice one. So if I get my bowl right here, and I'm gonna simple scrape this off it. See that? And I'm gonna add the rest salad. See that? And the rest of the salad. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, is a very simple salad recipe I just made right there. I did have a little bit of leftover vegetable fried rice, and I say I'm gonna make a nice lovely simple salad, just adding a few stuff to it. And that's a salad right there. You can even so put some black olive, green olive, and bits and pieces where you like to put inside of it. But anyway, it's a lovely recipe, and hopefully guys you like the recipe. Please subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. As you can see, amazing salad recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. So easy to make, guys, and I know 100% you guys can make this one at home. Very simple recipe, and I want to say thank you for subscribing and leaving your comments below. The rice already have a lot of vegetables. You got tomato, you got red onion, you have garlic. For watching this video for the rice, I can put the link in the description box, and you can go and see the way I do this rice. So I just give you ideas, or you can also make some salad recipe, do something different at home with the kids them and with the family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.